Understanding Cable Series. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. Cable series are a popular topic of discussion, especially when it comes to entertainment. Today, we'll uncover what this phrase means and how you can use it. Let's dive in. A cable series refers to a TV show that is available through cable television, which is a system that delivers television programming to viewers via radio frequency signals transmitted through coaxial cables. Unlike network television, cable channels are subscription-based, meaning viewers pay to have access to this content. Cable series often have certain characteristics that set them apart from network television shows. They may have higher production values, more complex storytelling, and sometimes content that is more adult-oriented, due to less strict censorship rules. When talking about television shows, you might say, "I prefer watching cable series because they have fewer commercials and better quality." This phrase can be a great addition to your vocabulary, especially when discussing preferences in TV programming. And that's a wrap on cable series. I hope this has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English repertoire. Happy viewing, and see you in the next video.